Hey, good morning, guys. You guys know that I've been using the laser edge blades on my 36 Vantage, and I'll call the guys at Fisher Barton and say, hey, listen, I sent you guys the wrong number. I need to get blades for my 48 because, again, the 48 is used 24/7, 7 days a week. Not seven, but the 36. I use it on backyards, which is, it's seldom. It's not as much as the 48. So they sent me a set of blades for the 48, and I'm going to put them on. Now, again, guys, I'm not being paid for this. I'm just like you. I don't believe the wholesale sharpening thing. I contacted them and told them, send me the blades. I have sandy soil. Let me see if it cuts, stays sharp the way you guys say it. So be patient, guys. Be patient, because I'm not like, I'm gonna give you all these technical. I don't give a damn about no technicality, guys. I want to see if these things stay sharp and if they are going to perform for me the way I want them to. So I'm going to put them on today. The other ones I've been using for the past week, and I've been making a video every day, so you guys know today's the 26th. All right, and I'll put this video up this evening. I'm gonna exchange the blades and put these on, and I'm not gonna make specific videos for these blades, guys. Between my daily vlogs, I'm gonna let you know how they're performing. If you haven't seen the 36 perform on a backyard, I was pretty high. Check out the video on the top of the link. But I'm about to exchange these, and as of today, I'm gonna go ahead and use them, guys. Again, somebody have to test these in sandy conditions. Somebody have to show you how these things work, and if they don't work, I cut Bermuda, Centipede, St. Augustine, Zoysia, and weeds in sandy soil conditions. That's what I cut. I don't cut tall fescue. I don't cut Kentucky bluegrass, all that stuff in clay soil. No, that's what I do. So on average, I'm going to show you guys how my blades are performing. Now, again, I'm passionate because I read these other guys that are putting out stuff on the internet about these blades, and you guys are kicking their asses, man. Be patient. If they didn't work for you, okay, keep it moving. You're so passionate and angry. This is for the people who are in the sandy condition, Florida, South Georgia. I'm gonna let you guys know if this stuff works or not. They're all my mowers, so they're gonna be on my mowers. You know what I mean? It's not like I'm taking them off and showing you today, and then tomorrow I'll show you something else. Guys, this is a real deal. I think Fisher Barton kind of messed up with giving me these blades, because I'm gonna let you know if they work or not. Again, stay tuned and we'll see. Right? All right, let me go ahead and change these blades real quick, and then we get on to whatever's going on today.
You're supposed to be gone!
I'm recording, man.
I don't care! Hey, YouTube!
No, this is gonna be a video by itself. All right, guys, let me show you something real quick.
Show us something, Mr. J.
These were put on here Saturday. Okay, Saturday, and I didn't even sharpen them. So this is what you get. They weren't brand spanking new, but they need to be sharpened big time. Look at that.
Yeah, I could tell they need to be sharpened. I wouldn't put my down hand across my thing.
I'm telling you. All right, let's move on to our day. Again, positivity, guys.
Woo-hoo, it's about to rain, so we gotta work.
All right, so this is a new one. Well, I used to do it way back in the days. Way back in the days. We should be good. Go ahead and open it up. I asked him to move some stuff around. So it shouldn't be that bad. Oh, they move stuff around. Okay. All right. Now, this is what I will say. You know, the string trim don't do inside the boxes because that's their vegetables.
Yeah.
And don't get too close to their containers.
Okay.
But other than that, heat everything up. Not bad. Over there was a little bit soggy, so just walk over there and let me know how I feel. You can put a mower? We'll try it out.
I could try it.
Okay. And I'll do the front and I'll come in the back here and help you. And I'm gonna help you string trim over here. I'm not doing it inside, but we just try to hit just here, but not too much close to the house, yeah.
Okay.
Or over here by the AC. You know how we do it. You gotta help me, bro. Ready? And then when we finish, we have another one. I think one of these over here.
Okay.
Yeah, but you know that's just regular mowing. Yeah. On this one, we're just gonna show you the end result.
Well, it's pretty nice.
It's not bad. Oh, you like them? You gonna put the other ones up, or you can just wear both?
I'm gonna wear both.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, let me show you the after, guys. This is the after. And here is real wet, so I made a boo-boo right there. But it's so soggy. Alright, well that's it. Alright, now we go to the next one.